avocado and Papaya smoothie. 2 words: healthy and very creamy. So today I'm going to be showing you this healthy smoothie. So I've already chopped up my pawpaw, so I'm going to add it in my blender. Many people don't like eating papaya, but this is a very nice way to eat pawpaw. I'm using 2 avocados. This smoothie is really going to be creamy. I'll add a little bit of water to help us blend. Then I'm going to blend. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of honey just to sweeten things up. Yummy! Wow. Do you ever find your children licking honey? There you go. My smoothie is ready. So I'm going to pour in my mason jar. Look at that. Don't mind me, I always say that because it looks so good. Now I'm going to top it off with Tomatillo fruit. They're so healthy. This is just to spice things up. There you go, guys. I hope you make use of your pawpaw, which is lying just around there in your kitchen, and make this healthy smoothie. So I hope to catch you on my next episode. Bye.